nakapim. Okay. Thank you. Grabe yung ano ko. Ayan. Lynn and Ding, thank you. Mga kapitbahay, busog na ako. Ito, this is my leftover. So, mga kapitbahay, I will finish this later. I think I'm gonna eat this for dinner. Yeah. I'm not gonna waste my food. So, this is my gonna be leftover. And I'm gonna eat later for dinner. So, I don't have to cook for tonight. Ayan, mga kapitbahay. Ayan, sarap naman ng pansit. Oo, masarap. Kaso nga lang, nabigsi na ako. Hungry Granny. Andito ba si Hungry Granny? Lynn and Ging, Hungry Granny, hello. Andito ba si Hungry Granny? Oh, andito pala si Hungry Granny. I didn't see it. Good morning, kapitbahay. Sorry, Ayan, buti na lang may nagbati sa'yo. Ayan, Hungry Granny, mega shout out. Really appreciate you. Ayan. Ayan, Hungry Granny, thank you. Excuse me. Ang aga nagising, Ayan, palablabo si Hungry Granny, mga kapitbahay. He's my batchmate. Bye, Jasmine. Are you done for today? Oh, that's why it's early. Oh, okay. Have a good day. Ayan, Rinko Kumar Vlogs, thank you. Ayan po, tumabira Dan, nakapin, thank you. Ayan, Rinko Kumar, thank you, Dinjing, hello, good morning. Ayan po, Hungry Granny. Good morning. I miss you, Hungry Granny. Hungry Granny is my, she's my, batchmate. Ayan, Joshua Charity Vlog. I ate so fast, probably because I ate some bread. Yeah, this bread is okay. It's not really great because the filling inside is different than where I grow up. Ayan. Ayan, Linging, DIY, thank you. Ayan, sa Lia Negra, mega shout out. Thank you so much po, mga kapitbahay. Ayan, Lynn and Ging, ayan po. Joshua Charity Vlog, hi. Ayan, Hungry Granny, thank you, Ayan, whoever, just woke up, good morning. And whoever, from the USA, good afternoon. Dan, like, ayan pa. Hungry Granny, thank you. Love kapitbahay USA. Imada Ingram, Dan. Ayan, thank you so much po sa naglablab sa aking member. Ayan, Carnivore Joyce, mega shout out. Ito si Carnivore Joyce, very awesome. Because, she's always here on my live. Ayan, even though at night, in the morning, and lunch. Carnivore Joyce, thank you, Really appreciate you. Ayan, Carnivore, where you from? Ayan, parang feeling ko you always available. Thank you. Florida, USA, okay. Thank you so much and I really appreciate you, What time is it there? We have the same time. I have, my time is, Carnivore Joyce, hello. Ayan po. Thank you. I have Pacific time. Parang feeling ko, hindi ko alam kung para tayo ng auras, Pacific time ako,